for this question. We're looking at some factorials here. Factorial, that's what this explanation point means. Like, for instance, 4 factorial is a factorial. And that would be equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you multiply it by every number below itself until you get to 1. I have to be honest, I don't think that I have seen factorials yet on the SAT, so I only have one question like this to show you, but I still think it's worth the time because, first of all, you never know when the SAT is going to change and sneak in a new question that they haven't done before. And also, the concept of how to use factorials to do canceling and fractions is very interesting, and it kind of helps you think about things in a new way and make you a little more creative on some other questions that you do see all the time on the SAT. So anyway, it's worth trying it once to see how it goes. So yes, your calculator does have a button for factorial, and you can just put this into your calculator if you have that exclamation point there, and it should get you to the right answer. But I want to show you how to do it by hand because, again, I think it's going to make you a more creative problem thinker, a more creative problem solver. All right, so let's start with this 10 factorial. It's 10 times 9 times 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to take all of that and I'm going to divide it by 5 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now I'm going to take all of that, and also in the denominator, well, 10 minus 5 is 5. So I have another 5 factorial. All right, that was a lot of writing, but it's worth it because I find this so satisfying. Look at all that canceling we can do. All of those numbers just go away. Plus, hey, 3 times 2 is 6, so let's get rid of those numbers. And 5 is half of 10, so let's turn the 10 into a 2. 4 is half of 8, so let's turn the 8 into a 2. So what this all boils down to is 2 times 9 times 2 times 7. And if you don't have a calculator, that is reasonable to do by hand. If you do have a calculator, punch it in now and you get 252. Our answer is C.